So you want to go from a caveman to a chart wizard. It all starts with the data. On the left, the divisions of the company, and on the right, the percentage of the training complete. Most people will use one of Excel's default options, but we can do better. A percentage is something of something, but you have something of nothing? Add in a complement by simply doing 1 minus the value and extend this to all your data. Add in a dummy column name, and this time, pick the stacked bar option. Okay, we're cooking. But did you forget the name of the chapter? That's right. So let's change the colors to capture attention where we want it. Track the eyes. They go from here to there, from here to there, from here. You get it! So get rid of the axis and instead add the percentages directly in the bars. Change the color for some contrast and right-click on the chart, format data labels, and inside end over here. Pretty, but cluttered. We really don't need this. And the grid lines are useless now too. Hold up, something's off here. Our brains like order. So go ahead and sort the original data. And also, this chart is just way too wide. So it looks like we're completely done. There's really only 2 kinds of titles: power titles or simply just descriptive titles. A power title conveys a key insight or takeaway, while a descriptive title simply presents the chart's subject. In our example, we'll choose a simple descriptive title. You did it! You have officially leveled up from a caveman. This chart is now your new base, and you can creatively add some flair to really take it to the next level. And remember, there is no one right way to make a chart, so subscribe to learn more.